Good afternoon. Welcome to another vlog. Just a short one. We've got the drone with us and we are east of Castleford, where we came when we did the Castleford-Sherburn-in-Elmet walk. Now if I turn round and show you the bridge, there's a couple of trains going to use it shortly, both in the same direction towards York and the north. Okay, so I'll get the drone out. There's one due in another 10 minutes or Trans-Pennine service. It's not actually in service, it's an empty movement, but we'll get that, then we'll hang around for the Knowsley-Wilton Binliner. Okay? Right, we walked back now from that bridge over the River Aire along the paths, and this place here might be quite good for photographing anything on this line east of Castleford. It is such a crying shame there's not a regular service on here to say York every 2 hours and Selby every other 2 hours, so you get a train every hour this side of Castleford. Anyway, let's get up here to the road and we'll just walk straight down the road back into Cass. We got one reasonable shot, but it did jump, which I'm not happy about. Right, made it back to Castleford, as you can see. So we'll get the train to Wakefield, Sheffield train, and then we'll go from Kirkgate to Westgate, Leeds, and back to Cottingley. That's the plan of action. Okay, so let's wait for the train and then get on when it comes. Right, our next train is here. We'll go back over by Wakefield and Leeds. And everything looks good so far. So 158791, so former ScotRail, I think this will be, won't it? Got the road already. Right, it's on the move again. N is for Normanton, and you also get N for Leeds as well. So obviously it's the same route to get to Whitwood Junction. It's a C if you go down to Cutsack and Pontefract. What I could really do with where this junction is here now This is the Castleford West Junction, where the line goes over to Cutsack and Pontefract and Knowsley. We ought to have a facing crossover just this side of the junction, about here, on both lines. Then you could enter platform 2 and reverse in there. That would create a lot more capacity with that. The old Castleford signal box, Castleford Gates. Coming up to Whitwood Junction now, where the line to Methley and Leeds goes off. That's that. We're on the second side of the triangle now. We'll join the main line at Altofts Junction. This is the container port now, Wakefield Europort. Over the motorway and then Altofts Junction, where we join the main line, direct line from Leeds. There's two separate bridges for the motorway here because it's just south of the junction. The other junction's just south, so they put two bridges in. So as you can see there quite clearly. This is a much faster junction now. The main line's 70 or 75, and this turnout 60. I think. I won't swear to it, but I think it is. Normanton, not that long since we went through here, is it? Absolutely disgraceful what it is now compared to what it used to be like in good old Midland days. Right, just pulling into Wakefield Kirkgate, so just opposite platform number 3 and straight up to Westgate onto Leeds. Let's go down this way. Comes in. Not here yet. It's a 5-minute connection, so it shouldn't be far away. Right, it can't be far away. There's a cross country or something going out. Is it not? No, it's a northern service. Right, so you've got the right-hand feather there for Westgate. And here it is, another 158. It's the first time we've done this in this direction for a while, if ever, I think. If you're on Leeds from here, it's usually from platform 1 either via Castleford or Fast. Oh, it's the same one we had on the Settle Carlisle that time. Departing Wakefield Kirkgate, heading for Westgate and Leeds.
This is the northern. We will shortly be arriving at Wakefield Westgate.
If you are leaving the train here, mind the gap between the train and platform edge.
There's the Hepworth down there. That sort of grey slate coloured building behind the trees. It's a lot closer to Kirkgate than it is Westgate.
A member of staff or the British Transport Police. Travel with confidence with the Northern app. Get real-time train times and tickets direct to your mobile. Available on Android and iOS.
Should cross over to platform 2, I think, but we'll see. It could go through 1 the wrong way and then cross over higher up. Yeah, great big platform 2. no effect. It's bi-directional. If you're on that side now there, you can't go to platform 1, it's only the through road or 2. There's no facing crossover. So if something breaks down in platform 2, we'd be okay now, but other trains on the main line are screwed. So I'm surprised that way isn't just a feather really, that, instead of a box. There's only one of 2 which you can take. Yeah, we're crossing over to 2. Thought we would do. Call it out, wouldn't it? Straight to Leeds. Right, this is our next final train today, back to Cottingley. So let's do this. Screen F, off we go. Not easy to see anything now because it's reflecting so badly. There is a train here, the one we came in on from, oh was it? No, not that one. Came via Wakefield Westgate, didn't we? Kirkgate Westgate. Back at Cottingley. This one just got on there, I think. Yep. Right, let's head home once this train has left. Not been a bad day, even though we set off at only about 2 in the afternoon. We're about 6, nearly 7 hours away from home. So it's heading off to Manchester Piccadilly. Right, that's it then. I can't face the camera because the face camera's not working very well, so cue music, see you next video.